You want to make videos for your business, but you don't want your face on the internet forever. Maybe you're camera shy. Maybe you just don't have time to film, retake, and refilm every time your product changes. Here's the good news. You don't need your face to build trust anymore. Today, I'll show you 3 ways to make professional business videos without ever turning on a camera. Just your ideas, turned into polished videos that actually look like they belong to your brand. Okay, method 1. Text to video, with no avatar and no face required. This is the fastest path. You start by describing what you need in plain language. Maybe it's a product explainer, a feature announcement, or a short piece for social. You tell Ngram the audience, the goal, the style, and the length. That's it. From there, Ngram handles the research, the storyboarding, the scripting, and the voiceover. You see the script and storyboard before anything gets generated, so nothing feels like a black box. When you want changes, you don't rebuild anything. You just say, shorten scene 2, or make the intro punchier, and Ngram refines it in place. The final video comes with motion graphics, captions, transitions, lower thirds, and emphasis text already included. Great for release notes, thought leadership posts, and short explainers where you want your ideas front and center, not your face. Method 2. URL to video. This one is my favorite for busy founders. You already have a landing page, a docs page, or a blog post that explains your product well. Instead of rewriting all of that, you paste the URL into Ngram. It pulls the content, organizes it, and turns it into a coherent story with visuals that match, not generic stock footage. You can point it at your homepage for a product hunt-style launch video, or at a changelog for a feature announcement people will actually watch. Same idea. Zero camera. Fully narrated, fully on brand. Method 3. Voice-only narrated screen recording. This is where Faceless really shines for product demos and onboarding. You open your product, hit record, click through the flow, and talk over it like you're explaining it to a friend. Don't worry about mistakes, long pauses, or fumbling words. Drop the raw recording into Ngram, and it auto-cuts dead air and mistakes, smart zooms on your clicks, emphasizes the cursor, and adds callouts and step labels. No timeline, no editing skills. What went in as a rough screen recording comes out as a polished walkthrough. This is perfect for showing new users how to get started, following up on a sales call with a personalized walkthrough of the features they cared about, or turning a chunk of documentation into a step-by-step video your customers actually finish. A few things to keep in mind as you build. Captions on by default, because a lot of people watch with the sound off, and Ngram includes them without extra work. Keep your voiceover conversational. If you're not recording your own, Ngram's voiceover handles it, so you can stay behind the scenes. And remember that Ngram adapts structure, length, pacing, and tone to the audience and destination. So a 9:16 clip for social won't feel like a stretched out 16:9. That's the whole workflow. Text to video for ideas, URL to video for content you already have, and screen recording to walk through for anything inside your product. 3 faceless methods, 1 tool, and a brand that stays consistent across all of them. If you've been putting off video because you didn't want to be on camera, this is your sign to start. Head to ngram.com, load your brand kit, and publish your first faceless video today.